Hey everyone, so today we are going to learn a new language that is emoji code. And like every other language, we'll start by learning how to write a Hello World program in emoji code. So first of all, let's see some features of this language. Emoji code is an open source, full-blown programming language consisting of emojis, of course, and it is a conceptually bright language that is as a multi-paradigm language. Emoji code features object orientation, optionals, generics, closures, and protocols. It is lightning fast, that is, it compiles to native machine code using lots of optimization that make your code fast. Feature packed, emoji code comes with a comprehensive set of default packages and you can easily write your own. For the love of emoji, it is believed that emojis have expressive force, so why not use that to make programming more fun and accessible? I think that information is enough for now. Let's start some coding. So this is my emoji code compiler and I have already written some code over here. So I'll explain what this is. Let's start with this emoji. This emoji is used to comment a line. If you are familiar with any other programming language, you might be aware what a comment is. A comment is an explanatory statement that is not executed by the compiler and is included in a code to make the code more understandable. So all these lines that I have written here are comments and these are not executed by the compiler. Then comes this flag emoji, and it is a very special part of this language as whatever comes after this is the code block, and that is the part which should run when the file is executed. The code block which just talked about is created with these two emojis, and this indicates the start of that code block and this indicates the end of that code block. Then comes this emoji, which is used to create a string literal. A string literal is basically a collection of characters, and whatever comes between these two emojis becomes a string literal. And at last comes these two emojis, which are used to call the print method. This starts the print method and this ends the print method. So let's combine all these emojis to create our Hello World program. We'll start with flag emoji, and yeah, to open this emoji keyboard I have pressed Windows plus dot key on my keyboard, so you can do the same. After that, we'll create a code block. To create a code block, we'll use the grapes and watermelon emoji. Inside this code block, we will call our print method like this, and then we'll create a string literal inside this print method. So yeah, now as we want to print hello world, we will write hello world inside this, and we are done. Let's see if this code works. And yes, this code works perfectly. Hello world is printed on the terminal. So I hope you enjoyed programming in emoji code as much as I did, and if you learned something new today, do give it a like and let me know your queries, if any, in the comment section. I have also added some useful links that you can follow to learn about emoji code further in the description box. So feel free to check them out, and thank you.